Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ADVM. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one before, but it's been a long time since then. But want to get things updated here, not to state the obvious or rub salt in the wounds. But as you see here, very, very brutal day, not only from the price action wise, but whole lot of volume, biggest volume that this one has seen for literally months upon months. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first key level of support, and I'm going by eyeball test here, so I'm not sure if has hit this level or not, but it looks very, very close, is this former breakout area, actually slightly below it. So I take that back. This will actually be the first key level of resistance, and this rule is just based on the fact that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So never mind on that. I guess to the eye doctor I go. But in the very, very near term, if there is any sort of bounce back to the upside, 625 is now going to be that first key level of resistance. After 625, next key battleground to watch up there at $7.25. And also you want to keep an eye on that purple line, or excuse me, the pink line there, the 200-day simple moving average. So actually, no, let me just get rid of that so we don't have clutter all over the place. So yeah, you could keep that level up there, but from simplicity's point of view, key initial level 625, and the next key level, that again pink line there, the 200-day simple moving average. And that's one of those areas where even if you have a basic understanding of charts, a very surface deep understanding, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day moving average, and you know when the price is down below it, it tends to act as resistance. But again, before you even talk about or anything like that in terms of doing battle with that 200-day moving average, price first needs to prove itself in the near term by getting back up above that 625 mark. Now, what about levels of support? So if this movement continues to the downside, let's map out some areas where it may go. And like I said, I messed up the first one because my eyes deceive me. So the next key level of support to watch would be down there at 545, and really what I'm going to call a support zone. So from 545, let's try that again. There we go. Down to 5. So basically this, actually that's a pretty big support zone. But however you want to view it, the point being you have a support right there at 545 and the next key level down there at the $5 mark. So watch those. There is a whole lot of downwards momentum right now. So I would definitely say that while there is no such thing as a guarantee, both of those are definitely in play going forward. So we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. I know I'll be watching it, and we'll see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.